Introduction. These are marbles. They are green, red, and blue-colored marbles. Let us count the marbles of each color. Let's first count the number of green marbles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 green-colored marbles. And how many red-colored marbles are there? There are 1, 2, 3 red-colored marbles. Now it's turn for blue-colored marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 blue-colored marbles. Hence, we have 4 green-colored marbles, 3 red-colored marbles, and 5 blue-colored marbles. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to collect things in a group, count and arrange the total number of given objects. Now let us find the data count of orange fishes in a tank. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fishes. Hence, the data is 4. Number of orange fishes is 4. Friends, we now know that the total number of things that we count is called the data. Friends, now let's count and arrange these books in the bookshelf. How many red-colored books are there? 1 and 2. There are 2 red books. And how many blue books are there? Let's count. 1. There is only 1 blue book. How many green-colored books do you see? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 green-colored books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have arranged the data of all 6 books in a bookshelf. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Data means total number of things present in a collection. Data handling means arrangement of the data. Counting and writing the total number of things from one group of things.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe KWT Education.